Hello, my friends. MABO, your favorite influencer.
That's it.
Ah, come on. Today I'm not wearing my white coat. What does it mean? There's no art involved. We are baking. What I'm holding here in my hand is a piece of paper which was handed down for generations and generations. That's why it's in such a bad shape. It's a recipe we're going to be making today, and in collaboration with my dear wife, who has her own YouTube channel and all Spanish channels, so this video is bilingual.
Hoy, en colaboración con mi Honey Bunny, vamos a hacer un video de una deliciosa receta. Así que les voy a traducir en español, les voy a decir en inglés de los ingredientes que vamos a utilizar. Así que manos a la obra.
Okay, let's rock and roll. Okay, so what we got in a bowl here is 400 grams of flour, 25 grams of yeast. I have the quick raising yeast, the dry yeast. We're gonna have 60 grams of butter, 40 grams of sugar, and we're gonna add 1 egg and 125 milliliters of milk.
En este recipiente ya están aquí los 400 gramos de harina, los 25 gramos de levadura, 60 gramos de mantequilla, 40 gramos de azúcar, y después se le va a agregar 125 gramos de leche y un huevo.
Okay. Now this is only 120 milliliters, so I might have to add a little bit more from right here. Okay, so now we have it out of the bowl. Now we have to beat it around for about 10 minutes.
Ahora lo que procede es amasar por 30 minutos ya que se mezclaron todos los ingredientes.
Massage, you heard it. So, 10 minutes have passed. We're gonna roll it up in a nice ball and cover that to rest.
Ya aquí está la masa, después de haberla, válgase la redundancia, amasarla por 30 minutos, se cubre y se deja reposar por 20. Y se va a preparar un relleno con 100 gramos de leche, 40 gramos de pan molido, 50 de azúcar y 100 gramos de avellanas. Ahí están enteras, pero hay que molerlas. Ahorita les muestro.
Okay, folks, you heard it right. We're going with the filling now, which consists of 124 plus minus milk, 40 grams of breadcrumbs, 50 grams of sugars, and 100 grams of ground hazelnut. I couldn't find any ground hazelnuts, so we're just gonna ground them ourselves. You can replace that with almonds, perhaps. That tastes pretty good. I wouldn't go with walnuts. It tends to be a little bit bitter because then you can add a little bit more sugar. I would not use peanuts at all. Hazelnut is always the best. The most expensive is always the best. Okay, so let's mix this all together. Milk, breadcrumbs.
Pan molido y la leche ya están listas para mezclar el azúcar.
Sugar. I mix that a little bit. My pretty assistant will mix that a little bit. In the meantime, I will.
Hay que mezclarlas muy bien en lo que muelen las avellanas. Aquí ya están bien mezclado.
You can use a blender, or you can just use a rolling pin, whatever works for you. Okay, so where's the mixture?
Ya está la mezcla y se le va a agregar las avellanas molidas, trituradas.
So this becomes a paste now. Oh, I forgot to mention, we also add a little bit cinnamon. Okay.
Y también le puedes agregar un poco de canela. Se mezcla todo hasta convertirla en una pasta.
Okay, folks, 20 minutes have passed. We had a coffee, and now we're ready to roll this out. 20 by 30 centimeters. Then we will spread the filling, roll it up, and I have a pan prepared. I buttered that and lightly dusted with flour. And in the meantime, we preheat the oven to 190 Celsius. I don't know what's that in Fahrenheit. What is it in Fahrenheit?
Like 395, 400.
Yes. And then you bake it for about 30, 35, 40 minutes. Okay, so let's roll it out.
Ya la masa está lista. La vamos a usar el rodillo para extenderla y cortarla en 20 o 30 centímetros. Y se le va a poner la pasta que se mezcló anteriormente. Y vamos a tener listo un molde enharinado. Y ya verán el proceso más adelante.
This is 20 centimeters. So 20 by 30. Okay, so I have a good eye. Okay, now we have the filling here. Give it a cut in the middle. And like I said, we preheated the oven now to 190 Celsius. And then soon the temperature is reached. We're gonna bake that for, what did I say? 35, 40 minutes. So as you can see, I had it in the oven for 35 minutes and it's just perfect. I still gonna add a little icing, which is very easily done by using icing sugar and a little bit lemon or lime juice.
Después de tenerlo en el horno por 30-35 minutos, ya está listo. Quedó perfecto, ¿sí? Y huele riquísimo. Para el glaseado vamos a utilizar azúcar glass y un poco de jugo de limón.
As you can see, the layers of the nutty filling. This is perfect with a cup of coffee.
Aquí está ya listo. Puedes ver cómo quedó el relleno que se le puso, la pasta de las avellanas. Ya listo para disfrutarse con una tacita de té o café. Inténtalo hacer y me dices qué tal te quedó.
Hello everybody, I hope you enjoyed this easy to follow recipe for some sweet bread with a hazelnut filling. And please give it a try, maybe you like it. And like I said, you can try it maybe with almonds, walnuts. You have to add more sugar because they tend to be more bitter. Don't try it with peanuts, I don't recommend it. And if you're interested in more of those baking videos, maybe perhaps some cooking videos, let me know in the comments below. And we'll see you in my next video.
Gracias por ver este video y lo pueden preparar este delicioso postre el 14 de febrero y darle una linda sorpresa a sus mamás, a sus hermanas, a la novia, a la esposa, preparando y horneando este delicioso postre. Nos vemos en el próximo video. ¡Feliz 14 de febrero!
Okay, you go this way, I go this way. Okay, English and...
Español. Y ve al espacio de Marbella.
That's a blooper right here.
125 gramos de
Leche. Only 120 milliliters, so I might have to add a little bit more from right here.
So why you put 125?
More, the camera's running. You cannot have in there.
Amor, ¿dónde estás? Oh, aquí estás.
Hello. We have an elevator everywhere in this house. Okay, forget it. Okay, here we go.